In today's fast-paced world, many people, even though they are successful on the outside, feel empty, lonely, and incomplete within. There comes a time when the soul begins to ask deeper questions about spirituality, about life purpose, and about a deeper meaning of life. Nalanda Wellness was created as a space for inner alignment, healing, and conscious transformation, rooted in ancient wisdom and supported by experiential healing practices. Teachers at Nalanda Wellness guide individuals on a journey back to their true self. We offer structured training and experiential programs to individuals and corporate in Reiki, meditation, mindfulness, past life regression, crystal healing, and many other consciousness-based healing modalities. Each program is designed to teach unique techniques to facilitate deep inner shifts, clarity, and self-awareness. Nalanda Wellness was founded by Sachin Bangera, a master trainer, Reiki Grand Master, and past life regression therapist. He is the author of Benefits of Reiki Healing, a best-selling book on Amazon. With years of hands-on experience in healing and training, Sachin has guided thousands of students and clients through powerful journeys of self-discovery and transformation. He is a recipient of the Best Past Life Regression Therapist Award and has been recognized for his contribution to wellness on various platforms. The emphasis of Nalanda Wellness is simple. True healing begins with awareness. When individuals heal themselves, they naturally bring balance, compassion, and clarity into the world around them. Nalanda Wellness is more than a wellness institute. It is a movement towards conscious living. With more than 100 Reiki teachers and past life regression therapists, we are spreading in more than 20 countries. Our meditation retreats are attended by thousands each year. Our team of past life regression therapists are transforming lives all over the world. We are spreading our branches across the globe. Welcome to Nalanda Wellness. Come and be part of this movement to transform this planet.